So before we display the validation errors, let's fix this problem. So I don't know what happened here. So here, as you can see, so I think we had here deflex, okay? And I think that I have added the deflex or not, so I don't remember. So if I added it, it's okay. If not, let's add it now. So just I have missing D. So as you can see now, everything has been restored. And here, so let's use between. So between, not justify content between, not center. So we can have space between the link that we will add here to add the contact favorites and the flag here, okay? So now, as you can see, the design has been fixed. Let's move to the final or to the last page, and we have the same thing, okay? So now, as I said, let's move back to our form. So we need to display the form validation errors, and to display the form validation errors, so we have seen already here that we have errors. So let's send them. So as you can see here, we have a prop and prop inside the form, and the prop has errors. So if we send an empty form, so inside, as I said, inside the form, so here the prop which is errors, so we have the validation errors. So let's display them. So let's close this component and move to the add contact.view. So here we have the fields. So the first one is the name, and to display the validation errors for the name, so we need first to test if we have name here inside the objects, which is errors, okay? So let's add first div, and this div will take no class, and here inside we will display the validation errors. But let's give it a class. So it will take the class, so the class which is text white, so to display validation error, and bg danger, and padding of 2, and rounded, and margin top of bottom of 2, okay? And here we will have the validation error, okay? So let's save and take a look. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see, validation error. So now we need to check if we have, as I said, so let's add here vif, so not vbind, vif, and only when we have form dot errors, which is objects that we have seen, errors dot name. So only when we have form.errors.name, so then we will display the error, which is the validation error for the name, okay? So save, let's take a look again. So as you can see, the name field is required. So we need to do the same thing for the other fields, okay? So here we have, so let's space here and change it from name to email. And same thing for other fields. So here we have the phone, and what else we need? So we need the job title, job. So let's first, okay, let's add here job title, and later let's change now so now let's change the name. And what else we have here? So we have the company, and let's change it from job title to company. And we have also the country, and for the country code it's not required, okay? So country, so let's take a look. So as you can see, now we have all the fields. So let's refresh the page, send again. As you can see, we have named, email, the job title, the phone, company, and the country. Let's provide name and also an email that already exists. So let's provide same details, send again, and let's see. So as you can see, the email has already been taken, okay? So now we have the validation errors. So next, so we need to display the country for the user. And to do that, not the user, for the contact. And to do that, we need to install some packages. The first one is this one, which is the flag icon. So this one will display the flag. So you can see here, so they have demo. So I think that they have here demo. So you can check it to see the flags. So here you have flags, and flags are displayed using the alpha code. This one, alpha code 2, which is the EL, the DZ, the ES. So every alpha code represents a country. Okay, so we will use this. So this is the country code, the field that we have here. So we will store here the country code, which is this one, and using this country code, so we will display, or we will get the country. So let's first add the package npm install flag icon, and we need another one, this one, to get the country code. So we can install this one, which is E80 18N ISO countries. So they have almost 1 million downloads per week. So it's a famous package. So we can use it also to get this package. You can use it to get. So as you can see here, so we provide alpha 2, which is the one that we said here. So this one, and providing it, we can get the name of country, or we can get also the alpha code. Okay, so we provide the country, and that's what we will do. So when the user here, so when the user provide name of the country, for example Spain, so we will get the alpha code using this package. So we will provide name of the country. For example, here, as you can see, we will provide United States, and using the get alpha code, so we can get the alpha code that we need here to display the flag. Okay, so we'll see that in action soon. So for now, the package has been installed. Let's add the second one. And to use this one, as they have here, so we need to import the CSS. So we can do that. Let's move to the app.js and import it here. So if you don't want to use, semicolon, remove it. If yes, you can keep it. So now we have imported CSS file. So we need to do the same thing. So let's see what we have here. So I think that's also, we need only to import it and use it, as you can see here. So we use this class, which is fi, and here alpha code. So for example, this one for Greece. Okay, so this alpha code is for Greece. You can find it here, which is this one, gr. Okay, so now also this package that we have here, so we need to add the, so we need to import it and use it. So we need to configure the package to use it. Okay, so let's see if it is done or not. So let's move here. So it's already done. Okay, so now we have added this CSS file. So next,